I'm Dr. Nandini, and with me is Hanshi Balamurugan. So we are the facilitators of Tai Chi and Qigong through BeWell. So our experience with BeWell has been really nice. The way they scrutinize the facilitator was amazing. We are the facilitators of Tai Chi and Qigong. So Tai Chi and Qigong comes to a place where a lot of IT people are working. Why it is here? Because people in IT sector work with their laptops at least 20 hours a day, causing a lot of lifestyle diseases like diabetes, BP, etc. Now, in this particular thing, we have a therapy called Tai Chi and Qigong. So Tai Chi clears all the blockages, and Qigong adds more fresh energy to these channels. So making the human who are practicing a full-fledged person to undergo day-to-day activities. So welcome to Learn to Tai Chi and Qigong.
So in this BeWell event, especially as a psychologist, I think this is very, very important event because people are not aware much of the mind well-being. So I must really thank BeWell for taking this initiative first of all to create this awareness for the HCL employees and the whole I think the whole HCL itself. You can talk about tapping therapy. So what exactly is, we have energy flow around our body. Whenever there is a block in the energy flow, then you have problems in life, either in your physically or relationship or whatever it is. So in that way, we try to release those energy blocks that is blocking, that is locked in our nervous system by using tapping therapy. And this helps you to become more happier and more fulfilled. The reason is many of us more associate with body, but here they come to become aware of the mind also, where they have to integrate mind and body. So I think in that way, it's a very pleasant experience with BeWell, I would say. For giving this opportunity also to be a part of this BeWell is a real honor for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.